Hello children, I am Vikesh from Mount Razi School Jhansi. I am your science teacher. Welcome children to the next lecture of chapter number 6, that is a combustion and flame. In the last video we have discussed that what is a combustion, okay, in which we require oxygen and a certain temperature. When it will burn, it will give you the heat and light, okay, and in which we have discussed about the how the matchstick will burn with the help of a phosphorus. When we strike on that matchstick, then it will get a sufficient amount of a temperature and it will start burning. Then we have discussed that the combustion is of two types, that is a combustible substances and non-combustible substances. So the combustible substances which are catch fire in the air very easily, and non-combustible substances are those which cannot catch fire in the presence of oxygen, just like glass, clay, stone, etc. Then we have discussed the condition necessary for the combustion. What are these? That is a combustible substances, presence or support of combustion, that is oxygen, and the sufficient temperature which is required to burn. And then we have discussed about the type of combustion, in which we have discussed the rapid combustion, explosion, spontaneous combustion, incomplete combustion, and complete combustion. Now we are moving to the next part, that is called a flame. So as you know that a combustion is a chemical reaction which emit light and heat, but how do we know that the combustion is take place? And that is a flame. Means when we burn anything, it will shows the light, that is called flame. Then only we will know that things are start burning. So this flame word will be derived from the Latin word that is called a flamma, which is means the visible. And when we are burning anything, we will see the flame. Then we know that combustion is take place. The color of a flame depend on the temperature. ठीक है, the amount of air available and nature of the substance burning. So every substance when burned will give you the different kind of a flame. That shows that it will get a different type of a temperature, different amount of oxygen, and different type of a substance. So each substance cannot give you the same kind of a flame. They will give you a different. So different product will give you the different kind of a flame. Okay. A yellow flame is called a luminous flame. जो yellow color की flame होती है, that will be luminous flame, as it emit a lot of light, as its temperature is lower than that of the blue flame. Okay, so luminous flame is what? Is a burning flame which is brightly visible. जब भी हम कोई चीज़ जलाते हैं तो we will see the yellowish portion, and this yellowish portion is called luminous because it can emit light. So it will give you a more light, but it will not give you a lots of heat. And at the next you will find out the blue flame. The blue flame is just give you the heat, but it will not give you the light. When you will burn the candle, you will find out these all flames. So in today at your home you will burn the candle and find out these three zones of the light. Okay, and it leave behind back a shoot and another residues. और जब ये जलते हैं तो बाद में कुछ residues को छोड़ देते हैं. A blue flame is also known as a non-luminous flame as it emit very little light. तो जो blue flame होती है वो non-luminous होती है because it will not give you the light. Luminous means the light. So non-luminous means no light, but it will give you the heat as compared to the luminous flame. So let's see what are the zone of the flame. So there are the different zones of a flame. The first one is a non-luminous zone of the outer flame. This is the outer zone. It is also known as a zone of complete combustion. ये ब्लू कलर का होता है और दिस विल एब्जॉर्ब ऑल द एटमॉस्फेरिक ऑक्सीजन. दैट्स व्हाई इट विल बर्न येलो ब्लूइश इन कलर एंड इट विल गिव यू अ मोर हीट एज कंपेयर टू द येलोइश पार्ट, एंड इट टुक ऑलमोस्ट इनविजिबल एंड दस नेम नॉन लुमिनस. और जब ये जलती है तो आपको दिखाई नहीं देगी. luminous zone or middle zone, it is moderately hot zone. That's why it is called a luminous flame. This zone lies between the dark zone and the outermost non-luminous zone. It is yellowish in color. The yellow color is associated mostly with the burning of candle. Now the last one, that is a dark zone. It is the coldest of the all zone. It is formed just around the wicks of the candle flame. This zone is deficient in the air, hence no complete combustion take place in this zone and appears black. The first, that is a blue zone, which can get more oxygen. That's why it is bluish in color. So it will give you the more heat as compared to the light. जो बची हुई ऑक्सीजन होती है दैट विल रीचेस टू द नेक्स्ट पार्ट दैट इज कॉल्ड अ ल्यूमिनस जोन विच इज येलोइश इन कलर. सो इट विल गिव यू द लाइट बट इट विल नॉट गिव यू द हीट. एंड द लास्ट पार्ट, तो लास्ट पार्ट जो डार्क जोन होता है दैट इज अ मोस्टली इनर पार्ट. So it is a dark part which will not get any oxygen, that's why it will not burn and it will give you the blackish spot in the candle. So these all are the different zone of the flame: non-luminous zone, luminous zone and dark zone. As you can see in the picture, so this bluish portion, outer zone, that is blue. This is a middle zone, that is a yellowish in part, and that is the inner zone which is black, because this part can get more oxygen as compared to other part, that's why it is bluish in zone. So this is a hottest part, whereas the yellow part will get less oxygen, that's why it will give you the more light as compared to the heat. And this is the inner zone which is blackish in color because it cannot get oxygen, because outer zone and inner zone both can outer zone and middle zone both can utilize the oxygen, and for the inner zone there is a no oxygen is available, that's why it is blackish in color. Okay, thank you.